Hello everybody, yeah, it's Lacey Budamax here, Oceanside Lawn Care Landscape Repair. We're out here at one of our accounts today. I just wanted to show you what really nice grass looks like. This is really lush, thick, and no diseases or funguses in this grass right here. It's one of our favorite lawns to mow. And it's just because we take care of it nicely, use sharp blades. Also, they have a spray company comes out here, river friendly, eco-friendly spraying, and we also cut it up pretty high too. This one's at least 4.5, maybe a little higher. So that's about it. All right, we're back. Lacey Budamax here, Oceanside Lawn Care and Landscape Repair. Look at that grass. Like I said, this is one of our best accounts. If you want your grass to look like this, give us a call. 321-591-4919. Thanks.